Chinese takeout chicken tenders. And here's how to do it. Grab 1 pound of chicken tenders, season with salt and pepper, ground ginger, cayenne pepper, garlic and onion powder, sesame oil, red cooking wine, and soy sauce. Sprinkle over sugar, cornstarch, a little bit of flour, 1 egg, mix together, marinate for 1 hour, fry for 7 minutes till golden brown and crispy. Plate it up with green onions and sweet chili sauce. Chinese takeout chicken tenders. Or sprinkle it over a salad, drizzle over Italian dressing, or make it healthy with the side salad. Let's eat.